Hello, my name is Steve Sani. I work for Newport Live. This is one of the community sessions that's laid out every Friday. This is a junior ones. We engage them in this type of sports, playing football. They're indoors. We have other stuff as well that they engage in. There's karate, there's Nintendos that they take part. The idea is basically to take them off the streets for a couple of hours so they don't get into antisocial behaviours. Working with the young people, we found it very rewarding because we see them grow up from when they were 11 to they were 16. And when we see them, we ask them how their life is going, and it's changed their lives from when they used to come to these sessions. And they've grown up to be role models to the younger ones. Massive numbers of young people come in and engage. They seem to enjoy the sessions. They come back every week. It's very positive.